Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the snake game on Java. And in the last part, we just made a feature that the snake can eat the food and the food can be put on the board by a random position. Alright, uh, and today I will show you the feature game over. And like this here, you can see in this case, when the snake go outside of the board here, it's also called it go outside the matrix. So this is a case that the game gets over. And another case is the snakehead get a collision with its body. Alright, and first of all, before before we jump to code these features, I need to I need to fix some bug, some yeah, some code that not true, right? So you can see here, I defined it. I defined the matrix size here, and the matrix size is equal 20. But in some of part in this code, I use here by a. Yes, I I get some confused. So now we will change some code. You get this. Instead a, we will use the matrix size. Matrix size here. Alright. Alright, so let's run it again. Because I used I use a, so sometimes the foot is not put in on the entire of the board. Alright, so let's jump to these choose features in this part. Alright, let's code it. The first is detecting when the snake go outside of the board. Boolean is snake outside board. We will return a condition here, like outside when the head s less than 0, or head s bigger or equal matrix size, or head y less than 0, and the last condition, head y bigger or equal matrix size. And we'll jump to the move snake function, and after we update the head here, we will detect if either snake outside the board. I will print a text to the console to verify that the function is correct. Game over. Alright, so let's run it. Right, okay, and run it again to check the top. Alright, so the function is correct right now. So if If the snake is outside the ball, we will print the game over and elf. So this code to prevent the game going to be crashed. You can see it on the console. The game is crashed at this line because the exception index our pause. So to prevent that error, we will copy all this block of code to the else condition. Alright, and let's run it again. You can. Alright, so the game the error is no longer happen, and you can see the game is over, but the timer is still going running, so we need to stop this. And to do that, I will call the timer cancel here. So let's run it to see it. The game is over and the timer stop it. Alright, and here for the game over here, instead we print a text to the console. We will print a text on the game screen, and to do that we need to define a state for the game over. Private polling is game over equal false for the default value. And the first time we're going to place the game is not is not game over, so we can play the game immediately after we open the game. Alright, so normally in the game programming, we won't use this simple variable, boolean variable here to detect the game state. We will use an integer, for example, and that integer will assign it by many number for special states, like initial state, like loading state, gameplay state, menu state, and etc. But in this game, I just we just have two state, the gameplay and the game over. So we just use a boolean variable is enough. Alright, and we go to the pane here, and if is game over, I will first I will set the color to red, and then I will draw a string game over, and the last two parameter here is just the position x and y floated on the screen. I will put the 100, maybe 100. Alright, and go back to the code here. We will assign game over equal true, and then run the game again. It show up. Yeah, I need to call repaint again. Alright, so we see here the game over here. And I will put the game over to maybe 200 and 200 pixel to make it go to center. Oh no, 250 maybe the good position for the tech. Alright, so pretty good. Alright, and now for alright, that's it. The first case, the game is outside the board, and another case we need to define that is snake head collision body. So in this we will use a loop on the body. Alright, the okay, zero and s equals 0 and s equal less than the matrix size. S plus. Oh, sorry. The body S size, and we will go through the body of the snake and check if the snake head the snake head coordination is equal any the body elements coordination. So that is the case that the snake collision with its body. All right. So I will if the body as guess equal head at, and the body y guess I equal has I will return through here, and here need to cast to the integer, and here if the follow here won't jump to this return, we will return to the false. Alright, it's going to be very easy to understand. I think you can understand that easily. Alright, so in the alright, we will write a function to simplify that function. Alright, so not to do that. Here or is snake head collies body, and run it again. Okay, So now we already have two cases to make the game is over, and upon us in this part I will make a feature we will start the game again. Alright, so to that, in the key press here, if the E get key code equal the enter key, we start game. I'm sorry, restore game, and we will write that function. Restore game, and to restore game, we just copy this code and put here. Sorry, void. Alright, and here we will call the restore game. Alright, I need to put this code to this function to prevent the duplicate code. That's the rule in coding. So you need to understand that in the future, in your future career. This is all the thing you need to know. Yes. Okay. So don't forget to call this in the constructor. Okay. Sometimes my audience um, didn't see the video in detail, so yeah, they ignore some something in the video, so they didn't see this code and they get error. Right, and alright, I think I need to copy this code to here. Alright, we need to put the game to the beginning. So this is the initial value for the beginning of the game, and don't forget to clear all the thing on the, that means we reset the game. So to reset, I need to clear the matrix. Right, 4. Alright, we copy to for faster. Yeah. Alright, and in here magic with row and column equals 0, and body as clear, body y clear, and don't forget to yeah, here we need to add more condition to here. That's it, the game over. So every time we press the enter key and the game, and that time is game over, we will restart the game. Alright, so let's run it again. Alright, game over. Press enter. Yeah. Alright. I forgot to. Yeah, the head here. We also need to reset this for the head. Alright, so let's run it. Enter. Yeah. Oh, okay. I put this code the wrong place. Okay. And for the direction, equal right. And let's run it again. Okay. As you can see, we have some bug here, but I will fix it later. So don't worry. Alright. Oh yeah. I need to put the game over equal phones. Alright. Okay, perfect. So in this part, we know about how to detect the game over with 2Ks. And so this is so that's it for this video. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.